Have a favorite Whitman sampler chocolate? Nut caramel. Nice choice. But can we make it into a cocktail? Throw a few spoonfuls of caramel sauce on a plate and spread it around. Take any glass you wish and dip it into the caramel. Then perhaps even some crushed nuts. Grab a shaker and put a bar spoon of hot Nutella right in the bottom. Hey there, hot stuff. Pour a heavy half-ounce of Torani caramel syrup into your shaker. Followed by an ounce of Godiva chocolate liqueur. Indulge like no one's watching. And finally, 2 ounces of Kettle One vodka. Add copious ice and medium shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Then fine strain into your rimmed glass. And that's the Whitman's Martini. Happy Valentine's Day.